There's no denying that strawberries are delicious when eaten directly from the plant, but they are downright scrumptious when you pair them with a fluffy cake and luscious cream. Strawberries and cream cake. Stick around, I'll show you how it's made. One thing I love to bake is with seasonal fruits when they're at their peak of freshness and full of flavor. Strawberries are one of my favorite fruits. Driving through the produce fields of the Central California Valley, you get hit with this incredible aroma of strawberries, and there are several roadside produce stands where you can get the best strawberries ever. This cake is my go-to vanilla cake. It's just a few simple ingredients that come together really quickly, and you're left with a surefire crowd pleaser. Now, when you add in juicy strawberries and the soft, pillowy cream layers, it takes the cake to a whole nother level. Actually, the 3 different parts of this recipe can be used with other desserts. To get started, have the butter and eggs at room temperature. It makes it much easier to mix the ingredients together. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. I'll be using a stand mixer, but a hand mixer works just as well. Beat the butter and sugar together on medium speed for about 5 minutes until the mixture is light in color and fluffy. Add in the eggs, one at a time, mixing in completely before adding in the next one. Next, add in the vanilla and mix to combine. In a bowl with the flour, add in the baking powder and salt. Whisk to combine. Scoop the flour mixture into the butter mixture, alternating with milk at low speed. You should do this in 3 batches. Pour the batter into two 8-inch pans that have been greased, lined with parchment paper, and floured. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. Cool in the pans on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. Then remove from the pans and allow to cool completely on wire racks for about 30 minutes. You can make the cake ahead, wrap the cool cakes in plastic wrap, and place in the fridge or the freezer until you're ready to assemble the cake. While the cake is in the oven, make the strawberry compote. In a medium saucepan, combine the sliced strawberries with the sugar and vanilla. Stir to combine. Heat on medium heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove from the heat after the strawberries are soft and add in a splash of rum and then set it aside to cool. This can also be made ahead, placed in a sealed container in the fridge until you're ready to assemble the cake. For the cream, combine the heavy cream creme fraiche or mascarpone, with the salt and powdered sugar along with the vanilla. Start on low speed to keep the powdered sugar from going everywhere. Mix at medium-high speed until you have a thick and fluffy mixture. Cover and place in the fridge to keep it chilled. This as well can be made in advance. To assemble, you'll want to slice the cake halves horizontally to make 4 layers. With the cut side up, spread a thin layer of the cream mixture, then a bit of the strawberry compote. Take the matching half of the cake and place it cut side down over the top of the bottom layer. Follow the same steps 2 more times: cream, strawberries, cake. Top the cake with the remainder of the cream mixture. The cake can now be placed in the fridge, or you can garnish with more strawberries and serve it up. Keep the cake in the fridge covered in plastic wrap to keep it from drying out. It'll keep for about a week in the fridge. It also freezes really well. Wrap the cake in 2 layers of plastic wrap, and then when you're ready for it, place it in the fridge overnight to thaw, or on the counter about an hour before you want to slice, or 3. The cake can be made with any fruit compote if strawberries aren't your favorite, or if you just want a delicious vanilla cake. Give it a try for your next celebration, or if you just want a delicious cake all for yourself. You won't regret making it. Just enough of each flavor in here. Vanilla, the cream, the strawberries. Delicious. And it's really soft and moist. I hope you make this. And if you do, leave me a comment below. Let me know how it turned out. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy making this cake. So good.